In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Google Camera or Gcam on Android. Okay, so this is fairly straightforward and simple, so I'm going to show you how to do it. The first step is to open up a browser. You can use any browser. I'm on Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, you want to type Gcam APK, so that's just Gcam APK, and then you want to hit search. Then you want to scroll down, you'll get a whole bunch of results, but you want to tap on this one right here. So if I tap on that, that's going to take me to the website. Then you're just going to get a whole bunch of ads and so on and so forth, and a description. Just scroll down till you get to the actual download links. So you can see a whole bunch of download links. So if you want to download any version, you can. I'll just go for this one at the top, download link. I'll tap on that, and then once that loads, I'll just scroll down. Now you don't want to tap on that big blue button there in the middle. That's an ad. You want to scroll down, and then you want to tap here where it says download. So I'll tap on that. Now it will give you this warning because it's an APK, but you don't have to worry about that. So just tap on download anyway. That will begin the download process. Okay, so that's downloading. If you want to see the status of the download, tap on those three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, and then you want to tap here where it says downloads. So you can see the file is currently downloading. It looks like it's quite a big file, so I'll just give that a moment to complete the download. And one thing to take note of is you want to make sure that you're on a Wi-Fi connection when you're downloading this file, because it is 203 megabytes. So you don't want to be wasting all your data. Okay, so now the download is complete. I can tap on it right now and it says can't open file, so that's not a problem. What you want to do is you just want to navigate to your files on any Android. It says files, you have a files folder. So tap on my files wherever it is on your phone. Then you want to tap on downloads, and there you can see the APK for Google Camera is at the top. I'll tap on it, it'll say opening app. Okay, so now it says I need to change a setting. So I just need to change my setting real quick and tap on allow from the source, and then it says do you want to install this app. I'll tap on install. Now it's currently installing the Gcam app. Okay, now it says installed, so you can tap on done. Now to find the app, it's going to probably be on the last page of all your apps, so just find it real quick, and here's the Gcam app right over there, and then you can open it up and begin using it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.